Hey guys, so I've been making these boxes and found that I want the same box, but I want to be able to use a different material. So this is set up for a 1/4 inch material, and I really want my tabs to be set up for 1/8 inch. And there's a really quick way to do this. So what I need to do is I'm going to click on this. This is actually one of the sides of my box. I'm going to go into my measuring tool, and I'm going to measure the interior line here. Let me scroll in so you guys can see this. You can see this little measurement guide pops up. This pops up here. This pink line is what I'm wanting to change. So that's segment length. Again, it is set up for 1/4 inch, so 0.2362 inches. So I want that set up for my 1/8 inch material. I'm going to write down 0.2362 and I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm going to grab this, 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 this. Oh, let's grab this guy and this guy and this guy. Basically everything that's got a little tab on it. Now I'm going to go up here to my tools. I'm going to go to hit resize slot selection. Anything that is 0.362, I want it at 0.11811. Now these numbers came from using my calipers and actually, the thickness of my material. So old material thickness, new material thickness. And I'm going to hit apply and I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to show you that one more time, guys. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that it actually goes ahead and resizes all of my slots. So I'm going to hit resize slots in selection. I have selected everything that needs to be resized for the slots themselves. I'm going to scroll in so you guys can see that it's going to move these lines up so that this is now 11811 versus 23620. Hit apply and hit OK. So you can also go through and change the depth or the width of these slots. So if I don't want my tabs to be, 1/2 inch, or sorry, these are 1.175 inch, I can go OK. Select all that. Go back to tools. Go back to resize. 1.0175, I think was what I had. Back out of here. It's always best if you write it down. So it's 1.0175. Okay. 1.0175. Go here, go here. 1.0175. Say I want those to only be 1/2 inch. So I'm going to change my slot width. It's going to bring these in. I'm going to hit apply and I'm going to hit OK. So again, just real quick, wanted to show you guys how to change multiple slots, how to adjust a box or tabs and slots very quickly, very easily using Lightburn and two really cool tools, Measure and the Resize slot in selection. Have a good day.